Hey guys, Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home for $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. And today I'm going to show you this 2020 Grand Caravan GT, so let's go take a look. Here at the front you are going to have your color match bumpers as well as your fog lights. There is a little bit of hail damage up on the hood, but that is why we are blowing them out. They are 50% off. And then if you come under your hood, you do have your 3.6 liter engine. Inside here you do have your color match door handles, as well as they are power sliding doors, so you just click a button on your fob and they will slide on open for you. But now we're gonna go check out the back. Back here you do have a backup camera as well as a color match bumper, and you have a power lift gate, so you just hit the button on your fob twice and you're gonna have that pop up for you. And there is a lot of storage inside here. You do have your stow and go seats, so it's super simple. You pull the first tab, pull the second tab, pull that down, hit the third tab, and then you pull in your fourth tab, and these fold right down so that you have a ton of storage back here. But now we're gonna go check out the front. Here at the front you do have leather seats. They are heated, as well as you do have your heated steering wheel. You have a ton of storage in your center console here. And then in this piece you do have a 12-volt plug-in. You have some cup holders, as well as you have your two glove boxes. And you do have a touch screen here as well, where you can control your radio. You have your hands-free buttons on the left-hand side, and you have your cruise control buttons on the right-hand side of your steering wheel. You also have a sunglass holder up here, as well as your universal garage door opener. But now we're gonna go in the back and finish up. Here in the back, you do have your climate controls up on the roof, as well as you have a couple storage bins on the roof. And then these are also the stow and go seats. So it's super easy. You're gonna pull a lever on the side, it's going to flip down, and you're gonna push it right down into your floor. You're gonna flatten this out, put it down, and then you have a whole bunch of storage for whatever you need. If you're interested in this vehicle, you can click the link above for pictures and pricing. And if you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle on our lot, you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.